My name is Ucha Dzodzoashvili. I'm the General Director of the Scientific Technical Center Delta, which is the parent company of the Delta International. So Delta International is entitled International Sales Authority for the Delta products. So here today, Georgian defense industry is represented by armored vehicles, by artillery systems, and by small caliber and medium caliber systems that we provide and supply to different countries. Also, Georgia's defense industry is capable to deliver the Su-25 attack aircraft, R-60 and R-73 anti-air missiles. So right now we already have hit the threshold when we are ready to be presented in front of the world to judge us, to see our products, and also we have the pretty high assurance and expectation of the increase of the international sales due to our presence here. So literally we can say that the Gori vehicle delivers the B7 plus level of the protection around the vehicle, including the front protection, the rear protection, the side protection. Mine blast protection is the SANAC 2 on this vehicle. It is being developed on the commercially available F550 chassis, but with the significant altering and modernization of the suspension system and driveline, which gives the vehicle capability to perform the military grade. So we can see that APC version. This one has the two front seats, 6 rear seats, and the possibility to apply the 7th operator of the gun turret. Later on, it's interesting that the evolution of the vehicle family has resulted into the shortening of the base and development of the vehicle, which incorporates 2 front seats, 3 rear seats, and the same type of the armament on the top, which increases the per capita delivery of the payload and increase of the per capita firepower, which is our aim in this direction. The turret currently outfitted with a 23mm ZU-23 gun. The turret itself is developed in Georgia. It has the 2-axis stabilization, image acquisition, target tracking, the possibility to track multiple targets altogether and to select the regiments of the treatment regiments for each of the target and then to execute that automatically. Medical evacuation Gori is a result of the customer required developed vehicle. So customer has put very rigorous requirements in front of us to develop very specific vehicle that would meet their needs. We were capable to develop this vehicle in a very short time frame. We managed to do it in 2 months and deliver the prototype for the testing in 2 months. Later on, we made the major upgrades and major usability attunements for the system. So right now the system is very successful and it is pretty interested in its application, delivering the armored capabilities for the medical evacuation services. This is significant because the current theaters of the operations taking care of the warriors that have been injured and that are not capable to continue the military engagement, and thus the assault on this kind of the vehicles is very, how to say, not of the best phases of the standoffs today. With this vehicle, we're answering this requirement of the increased security and increased capability of the medical evacuations. So, as in case of the other vehicles, this vehicle is also the same level of the protection, B7 plus all around, and the second SANAC of the blast protection. So it integrates a number of the very interesting solutions, which give the medical team capability to start treatment of the injured immediately in the vehicle. So just increasing the time frame of the golden hour, so-called golden hour, thus giving more life expectancy to the injured soldiers on the field. Very interesting that we have presented on the Eurosatory not only direct military application, I would say system too. So this is the unique system of the precipitation management. So we literally, this system is developed in Georgia and it's deployed in Georgia guarding the agricultural sector of the, eliminating 96.4% damages from the hailstorms in Georgia. So Georgian Kakheti region is the most, the second most intensive hailstorm region in the world. So we used to face the significant damages from the hails, up to 40% of the total crop yield annually. So right now we're successfully reducing the damage by 94.6%, which is incredible result, I think. The strength of the system is the full integration. So the radar detects the hail formation, it assesses the probability of the hail, and then the ballistic calculator realigns the 85 firing positions, and depending on the type of the operation and the seeding that needs to be taken in the cloud, it automatically shoots out the rockets into the directions within the 30 seconds of the identification of the threat. So system is lightning fast, and this results in a high rate of the suppression of the hails. There are significant developments in the military direction. So we're trying to utilize the technology to make the aerial window, to clear out the visibility restraining cloud formations, clear them out, and to open the aerial engagement window for the task force. Georgia has the huge capabilities in development, the wide range of the equipment, be that the personal protection equipment, which we produce ourselves, or be that RPG-7 type of the arms, or be that different types of the mortar calibers of the mortar ammunitions, 82, 81, 60, 120. And we also as suppressed noise mortar, and also we have only single sample of the 12.7 suppressed. So I think that next exposition in the Eurosatory, which will definitely be present here also, will bring and demonstrate much larger volume of the products and the diversity of the products that might be interesting for our customers. This is the great place to meet not only the customers, the upcoming customers, but also the possible suppliers of the mid-systems for the integration into the products. So personally, I have taken first 3 days to meet the customers and to negotiate the supply contracts, which have been numerous. I mean, I did not expect that amount of the flow of the customers taking an interest in our products. And last 2 days, I'm taking advantage of the free time myself, and I'm visiting the stands of the exhibitors, and I'm looking and trying to touch bases with the different suppliers of the armored steel plates, be that, or wheels, be that, or different CBRN systems, etc., the systems that make the mid-level, the Lego blocks that we build up our systems from.